Hey yo guys, what's up? Today I'm going to transform this shirt into beautiful two-piece. So what are we waiting for? Let's go!
This is my dad's shirt. OMG, it is so loose. I can't wear it. Well, I have an idea. Leave 3 button from down and cut it into 2 pieces. Use measure tape or a scale to draw a straight line. Now cut it straight right on the line. This is the bottom part of my shirt. Now, place your old shorts or skirt right on the center which fits you perfectly. Leave 1 or 2 fingers space and mark 2 dots on each sides. Also draw curved lines on each sides like this. This is how it will look after cutting. Okay, now we have to fold edges and stitch them. Make sure you stitch these 2 parts separately. Do the same with the back part of the skirt. Also stitch sides of the skirt. Now we have to make a hole over here for a button. Hold it like this and cut a line with scissor. It is a trick for cutting a cloth when you don't have enough space for your scissor to go further. This much hole is not enough. I will have to cut a little more. We are done with this. Let's move ahead. We will have to tuck a button over here. So we will take off this button from here. Now we will need thread and needle to fix this button. Now we have 4 buttons on our skirt. We will have to make a hole for button. Secure it with thread so that the hole doesn't expand after multiple use. Yes, we are done with skirt. Now let's make a top from remaining shirt. Take the remaining piece of shirt. I'm taking 8 inches for my neck part. Mark 3 inches downward from both the sides. Now draw a curved line from there. From this point we will draw a straight line of 3 inches. Keep your measure tape at the starting point and mark at the end of your shirt. Now join these 2 points. Take a screenshot of it. Now let's cut it. We are done. Now let's stitch borders. Make sure you keep space for lace to go inside this. Now take these 2 ends and join them. This is to support your breast. Take your measure tape and mark a dot leaving 4 inches space. Now mark here leaving 1 or 2 inches space, then join them. Do the same on the other side and stitch those tucks on both the sides. This is how it will look from inside and from outside. Now we will stitch remaining borders. I'm done. Now I will make small stripes to hook a lace over here. Take a waistcloth of the same shirt to cut stripes. Stitch them like this. After stitching, cut them into 4 pieces. Stitch them here. I'm done. Now we will need a lace and a safety pin. Yes, finally we are done. Now we can wear it. OMG, it is looking sexy. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.